Majlis menjemput Suritno Fayanto dari Department of Physics Education, Halu Oleo University untuk membentangkan kajian yang bertajuk Physics Learning, ISpring Suite 8-based Learning Media Design Integrated with Mobile Application with a Design Thinking Approach.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon in Indonesian time, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for this opportunity. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce our team. I'm Maimuna and my partner are Muhammad Famul Pratama and Suritno Fayanto. And I am here as a team representative. We are from University of Halu Oleo and our major is Physics Education. In this occasion, I would like to present our research with the title is Physics Learning ISpring Suite 8 Based Learning Media Design Integrate with Mobile Application with a Design Thinking Approach. Okay, for the introduction. The lack of interactive learning media can be one of the main challenges in learning physics. Traditional learning media, such as textbooks and lectures, often do not increase student interest and help them understand physics concepts in depth. Interactive learning media can be in the form of computer simulation, animation, educational games, or mobile application, specifically designed to help students understand physics concepts intuitively. The application of physics learning media often does not involve teachers and students, giving rise to various challenges. Challenges faced by teachers include the low ability of students, inadequate facilities, and a lack of innovative learning methods. In addition, in traditional classrooms, the use of innovative and interactive media is often limited, resulting in gap in achieving learning goals. Therefore, various facilitation is needed, both from selecting processes and strategies in building interactive learning media designs, one of which is using ISpring Suite 8. ISpring Suite 8 is innovative software to make it easier to create interactive and engaging learning materials. One of its main advantages is it's easy to use. With an intuitive and user-friendly interface, ISpring Suite 8 allows users from various backgrounds to create learning content quickly and easily, without requiring in-depth technical knowledge. Apart from ease of use, ISpring Suite 8 also offers various interactive features that enrich that online learning experience. Users can easily create quizzes, simulations, memory cards, and various other types of interaction to create student engagement in the learning process. These features not only make learning materials more engaging, but also enable users to create more interactive and effective learning experience. It is hoped that this study can produce learning media that is more effective and useful for students. By applying design thinking principles, developers can better understand students' needs in depth. allowing them to create more relevant and engaging solutions. The integration of ISpring Suite 8 will also provide additional advantages by providing a variety of interactive and easy-to-use features that can enrich the student learning experience. Thus, the implementation of design thinking and ISpring Suite 8 in the development of learning media is expected to make a positive contribution in improving the quality of learning and students' learning experiences, as well as preparing them to face the challenges and opportunities in the current digital era. Okay, for the next is method. The research method proposes a holistic approach that integrates design thinking principle with ISpring Suite 8 technology and mobile applications. There are 4 steps. The first step is in this methodology is an in-depth understanding of user needs, which includes literature study, interviews with stakeholders, and stakeholders analysis. For the second step, after that, design concepts are built through ideation and prototyping sessions, which are then tested with early users to get feedback. The next steps is implementation and development, where the learning media is actually developed using ISpring Suite 8 and mobile applications. For the 4 steps, or the final step in this methodology is implementation and further evaluation, where the learning media is used in an actual physics learning environment. For the results and the discussion, the results of the development process are described as follows: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Okay, let's talk about it. Empathize. We carefully understand the needs and problems faced by students in learning physics. The defined steps help us formulate the problem we want to solve, namely creating learning media that can overcome difficulties in understanding physics material. The third idea. The idea step allows us to produce various creative ideas in developing this learning media. We use various creative methods such as brainstorming to generate ideas that are innovative and suit user needs. For the next is prototype. We designed and developed an initial version of physics learning media based on ISpring Suite 8, which can be accessed via mobile device. For the last is test. In these steps, we involve high school students as test users to evaluate the level of user difficulty. We use an assessment instrument in the form of a questionnaire with a rating scale of 1 to 5. The analysis results show that the Cronbach alpha value contained is 0.991, indicating a very high level of reliability in our assessment instrument. Okay, for the last one is conclusion. From the results of this test, we can conclude that the physics learning media based on ISpring Suite 8 that we developed has a level difficulty that is acceptable from users, namely high school students. This shows that the design thinking approach that we have implemented has success in producing good solutions in overcoming problems in physics learning. Thus, this learning media has the potential to increase students' involvement in studying physics through the use of easily accessible technology. These conclusions confirm that the application of design thinking can be an effective approach in developing learning media that suits user needs. For the advice, continue with further research to dive into more specific user needs and preferences. This can be done through in-depth interviews, surveys, or direct observation in the learning environment. The goal is ensure that the solution developed truly meets use needs and expectations. Additionally, diversified content development apart from electricity material, consider developing other content that is relevant to the high school curriculum. This can include other subjects such as mathematics, physics, or even non-academic skills such as entrepreneurship or soft skills. I think just it for me, and thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih kepada Suritno Fayanto atas pembentangan sebentar tadi. Para hadirin dijemput mengemukakan soalan melalui chat box YouTube dalam tempoh 5 minit selepas pembentangan.
Wave Beats Music.